Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm in Vail, Colorado, getting ready to ski the legendary back bowls and blue sky basin. This will be my best downhill skiing video yet. Don't go anywhere.
Damn.
There it is.
Oh man. Come on, you can do this. Here we go. You got it, you got it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Woo! Hell yeah! Oh. What kind of GoPro you got, bro?
9.
Oh, sweet. I got the 7.
Oh shit, nice man.
Yeah.
I dig your pants.
Thanks, bro. Have a good day, man.
Yeah.
If you're like me, the thought of skiing in the back bowls and Blue Sky Basin seems a bit intimidating and overwhelming. But getting to them is actually quite easy. If you go to the description of this video, I've got a link for the trail maps for Vail. First, open up the front side map. What you're going to want to do is go to Vail Village and get on Gondola 1. From there, ski over to the left just a little bit. You'll find Mountaintop Express Lift number 4. Once you get to the top of that, you'll find the giant gateway sign that says the legendary back bowls. Go under the sign and then jump on Sleepytime Road. It's actually a blue catwalk that goes off to the left. You're going to stay on this trail for probably 10 or more minutes until you get to Orient Express Lift number 21, which will take you up to the China Bowl, or you can keep on going down to Skyline Express Lift number 37, which will take you up to Blue Sky Basin. That's about it. Have fun.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Pretty old ski.
Yeah, really old. Woo! Thank you.
Push the biting down.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that.
You have it on the video?
Yeah.
Glad you're laughing.
I'm just glad I didn't hit a tree.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Doing it. Damn. Oh yeah, you're the man. Thanks, bro.
Oh yeah, brother.
Oh. Woo!
First of all, I wanted to thank Bud at Gorsuch for tuning my skis for me. They performed awesome today. Man, I had a ton of fun in those back bowls. I'm getting pretty good at the wipeouts. They seem to be getting better and better, but I didn't really care for Blue Sky Basin. I gotta be honest with you, I'm not a fan of skiing in the trees, but if you do like skiing in the trees, you gotta check it out. It's pretty cool up there. The scenery is so beautiful. The bowls actually were created, it's my understanding there was a fire back in like 1871 that burned out all those trees and created those bowls. So they didn't actually have to clear cut a bunch of trees like you would think they maybe did, but the back bowls, there's a reason they call them legendary, man. It is so fun back there. I had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the video. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.